So now finally coming to the final section, which is 12 months postpartum, and I'll tell you everything that I do to lose weight. 10 things that I do on day-to-day basis. It's a lifestyle thing for me that I do that has really helped me lose my weight. So the first one is food, which I've touched base a little bit before as well, which is eating the right proportions, eating everything. I don't curb myself from eating anything. Pizzas, आने दो, chocolate आने दो, but in proportion. I'm not eating a block of chocolate. I'm not eating 2-3 pizzas. Like, I'm eating everything in proportion, and at one time I'm not eating a lot. So I'm taking 4 meals a day. And what else? I never fill my tummy full. I always eat 1 roti less. So try with that. Eat 1 roti less every day for your lunch and dinner, and you will feel a lot of difference. Replace it with more fiber, replace it with foods or veggies, and you'll see a massive difference. Second, it said जितनी भूख हो उससे एक रोटी कम खाओ. That's exactly what I'm following. And second thing is nimbu pani. So I drink a glass of nimbu and ginger water, and then I start my evening cleaning routine. But even if you don't do an evening cleaning routine, you can still have this water before bed, because it's said that it really helps increasing your metabolism and burning more fat while you're asleep as well. So this is something that I have been doing since a couple of months now, and it really kicks your metabolism high, and that is the time when I'm doing my nighttime cleaning routine as well, and which is why I said, it helps you with digestion, it helps you with increased metabolism, so you kind of burn fat, and that's something that I do. So I drink a glass of nimbu and ginger water, and then I start my evening cleaning routine. So the second one is sleep and sleep timing. So the amount of sleep and the timing of the sleep. So I sleep on same time every night, which is 9:30, 10, and in the afternoons as well, it's 2 to 4. When kids are sleeping, I take rest, I edit, I do whatever I want. But at night it's 9:30, 10ish. And also, if your sleep is disrupted, that means that you have stress hormone cortisol in your body, and having cortisol in your body means that it will make your hunger much stronger, and then you're overeating it. So contrary to the belief that while postpartum your hunger is everything to do with breastfeeding, because I'm breastfeeding, I'm eating a lot and I need to eat for 2, that is not true. It could be because of your stress hormone, because of lack of sleep, because of the stress that you're taking. So try and take less stress, take more sleep. So the next tip that I'm going to give you is something that has really helped me to reduce the weight, which I call active mode. Now you must be thinking I'm crazy, but I do this on-off active mode in my head, and that really helps me actually. So what it is basically that in the morning I'll think that yes, I am in active mode on right now for a couple of hours, say 5 hours, 6 hours, and what it does that I am up for anything. If I have to go out, if I have to drop the kids, if I have to go out shopping, if I have to do some ghar ki safai, ghar ka khana, or some cleaning, organization, I'm always up for any work. If somebody tells me go, say for example, just go and make gajar ka halwa, and I'll do that, because I am in my active mode. Give me water, yes, I will give you. So I'm always up for just getting up and getting on the go. Yes, I will do it, I'll do it. And this is something that not just now, but I've always been doing since 5-6 years, that active mode on off. And once it's off, I am a lazy bum. Nobody can, koi mujhe hila nahi sakta hai. It's like that, which is in the afternoons and which is on the weekends. I hate to turn my active mode on, but during the week I am so active. I'll give you a simple example. The other day I was cooking noodles, and the same day I went for grocery shopping, and I bought everything except a capsicum. And then that was in the morning, and then in the evening I went to pick Dhyani up from her daycare, and then we were just home, and then I was doing the noodles, and then I realized, oh my god, I don't have a capsicum, and I just put my kids into the car just to buy 1 capsicum. So, and it's a big deal actually to go out with 2 kids I have to pack their bags, put them in the car, take the pram and things like that. So it's like just doing so much for just one capsicum was crazy according to my husband, but that's something I do all the time. I just put them in the car, and a couple of times a day I would go out, and I am okay with that. I like that. Being active is my thing. So that is something that has really helped me reduce my weight, because I go for walks with the kids. Every evening we'll go 15 minutes walk, and I'll take a break. So Kushank is here. He was in the swing in front of me, but now he's getting tired. So Alibidu. So what I was saying is that yes, I go for walks with my kids every evening, and I don't go for very long, just 10 or 15 minutes, but that is a routine. So that is another thing. If you're doing something, even if you go 10-15 minutes a day, you don't have to hit the gym. Going out, your mom, you have your baby, you can take your baby out for a walk. That is the best form of exercise that you can do, and you will feel so refreshed. I guarantee you will feel so refreshed. Your kids will be so much more fresher and hungrier when they come back home. And for me, it's a big challenge. I wouldn't even say a challenge, but for me it's a big deal, because my pram, which is a double pram, and then 2 kids sitting on it, it's like more than 30 kgs that I'm pushing on and off, up and down the hill on the footpath. So that is like too much for me, and by the time it's been 15 minutes, I am so tired. So that is something that I do every day, and that is again an active mode thing. Yes, I have to go. Like, I can avoid doing that. I can say, yaar, ye kaun karega? Just I don't want to do it. But I never think like that. I don't go to the gym, but I'm active throughout the day. I am so crazy that like since last 1 month, I am doing so many rounds to Kmart, to Reject Shop and other random shops, just to find a new type of organizers, because now I'm finally organizing my kitchen, and it's like taking one cabinet, one shelf every day, cleaning it and organizing it. So, and it's a big kitchen, so it's taking a long time, but that's something I do every day, along with playing with my kids. So I play with them, I have a lot of fun with them, but I can't do that all the time. So I keep busy with these activities as well. I keep them busy. So I'll give them kitchen utensils and vessels to play with, and I'll be cleaning. So that's something that I do. And my husband's like, you can actually take rest at this time, but I'm like, no. So that's another thing. Cleaning is, ghar ki saaf safai is also time consuming, and it's also exhausting. Like if you have stepped up on a ladder, and if I'm cleaning the cabinets and I do that 10 times upar niche, so that is exhausting, right? So, and if you think about it, like, you know, our moms, they never went to the gym, they never went for the walks, but they were always busy doing something in the home. It's not like, you know, ghar ka khana banaya and bartan saaf kar liye and ho gaya. It's like I pick a corner every day and I clean it. I religiously pick a corner every day and I clean it. It's a big house, and not that I'm boasting about having a big house, but it's a big responsibility. If I don't clean, like, it's like, you know, my kids are playing in that dust and dusty area, and I just don't do like that. I don't prefer that. So yes, that's another one. So as I said, try this active mode on and off game. It's a game. Try it with you. It's a mind game. Try it once for one day for a couple of hours, and you will actually see how much tired you are after those couple of hours. And I bet you'll be more hungrier, and if you eat in proportion, then you got it, girl. The one is YouTube. YouTube actually keeps me on my toes as well, because if I have to shoot something, say for example a cleaning video, I have to do cleaning, right? And I usually shoot when I'm actually cleaning, but then it takes much longer because I have to put the cameras here and there, and or if I'm doing an organizing video, I have to go out and do many rounds in and out the shop to find the right type of organizers, right size, and I do everything with my kids. But I do a lot of that, and editing, then shooting and things like that. So YouTube keeps me on my toes as well, and sometimes I have to go out to shoot, but YouTube is fun. I just love it. It's exhausting, it's very exhausting, but it's my passion, and it just makes me feel happy. And again, as I said before, so it reduces the cortisol hormone. Whatever makes you happy, just do it. And life is so different if you are happy, and maybe you can see it on my face as well. Like, YouTube is like my third baby. So these two are my little babies, and YouTube is my third baby, and I want it to grow healthy. So taking a moment here, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my baby Mom and Me. So that is another thing that I do to keep me on my toes. I am a freak, like, you know, I don't like to be indoors, as I said. So not only YouTube, not only buying the organizers or going out to the playland with the kids, I do, like, you know, just buying grocery shopping with two kids. Yes, I do that. I'll put them in the pram, I'll pick one baby up, I'll actually insert a photograph here, and my friend thinks I'm crazy, she'll never do that, but I do that. It's so exhausting, but this is our date. We buy groceries, and then we'll eat something in this shopping center, and then we'll come back home, and that will be like 2-3 hours of our time, and days go by so quickly. And I love to do that in winters when it's dark outside, and shopping centers are like a bliss. That's what I believe. But again, holding one baby, because Kushang or Dhyani, either one, they want to be held, or I'm putting groceries where they actually sit, so I look crazy mom while I'm doing that, but I do that. So that is another thing. I take kids to playland a lot. So that is soft playland, indoors playland, and Dhyani can climb up, Dhyani can slide, but this little one can't. So I actually pick him. I'll go to places like, you know, we'll go to upper levels as well. I'll show him everything, or he'll ride his cycle. He can't yet, but obviously I'll help him. Then we'll go kart and things like that. So we are active. We are always active. I love to take kids out, and I don't want to be indoors and bore them or bore myself. I'm not that type of person. I am seldom at home. I don't like to be at home, and so my kids now, they enjoy being outdoors, and just a simple walk and finding a new tree, or finding a new flower, or finding a new fruit is exciting for us. So we do that quite a lot. Another one which not so much right now, but has helped me, is breastfeeding. So nursing your baby definitely burns a lot more calories in your body, but now he's eating everything, and during the day I'm not even nursing him, just 2 times before sleep, and that's about it. But still, like, you know, if he's having a bad day, if he's sick, teething, infections, then he will wake up a lot more at night, and I'll feed him a lot more at night. So, but breastfeeding is another thing that I would say it still burns my calories. I think it's said that once you stop breastfeeding, then you will actually see how your body is. So though I'm not feeding him a lot, but I think once I stop it, my body will go through certain changes weight wise. Alright, so another big one is actually having a good and positive state of mind. And why I say this is because if you're happy, and if I'll give you 2 situations. The first one is like me, where I am least concerned about my weight, how I look and things like that, but things have worked in my favor. That was because I was happy, and I was not worried about a certain thing, whether my hair is falling. I was never worried about that. My skin is not good, or my weight. I had weight issues. I was heavy, like 69 kgs is heavy for a petite body like me, but now I am under 50. So but I have never had issues with my weight. I thought, okay यार कम हो जाएगा, so उसमें इतना टेंशन लेने की क्या बात है. And that really helped me reduce the cortisol levels in my body. I never feel actually hungry at random times. I never feel hungry for things like potato chips or like a big block of chocolates and ice creams and soft drinks. I actually don't have this in my lifestyle. I never drink soft drinks. I hate cakes. I don't hate cakes, but I am not a big fan of that. And neither the ice creams. My husband loves it, Dhyani loves it, he loves it, but I'm like, no, I don't want it. Like, they all are having, but I'm like, okay, I'll have a bite and that's it, because my body doesn't crave for it, because like the less. And I completely understand if you have a big craving for it. Like these days I have a big craving for fruit and nut chocolates. Like since he's born, I'm like fruit and nut fan. I used to never have chocolates before, but now I'm like, oh my god, I need 1 or 2 pieces of fruit and nut every day, and that's what I eat. I don't go like, अरे नहीं यार weight gain हो जाएगा. I'm like, okay fine, खा लेती हूँ, खत्म. That's it. So as I was saying, having the right attitude, right mindset is really important, because otherwise you'll be like, yes, आज मुझे weight कम करना है, and I'll hit the gym, I'll go for 30-40 minutes walk, and then for next 15 days you're like doing nothing. So don't do that. If you're doing something, do it regularly, do it with a positive state of mind, and that's it. Yes, one big thing that you can actually do is throw away everything in your pantry that has to do with processed food or packet food. Like, I have done a massive cleanup. I'm not that kind of person, but still, whatever little I had, no processed food, no packet food. Anything that comes out of the packet needs to go into the bin, not in your stomach. Be very careful about that. I only eat natural form of foods. If it's fruits, veggies, avocados, dates, jaggery, ghee, as I said, all of that. And I don't know why other things doesn't come to my mind. Only these things come to my mind. But no soft drinks, no ice creams, limited chocolate. I wouldn't say no chocolate, but limited chocolate, no cakes, no cookies, no cupcakes, no muffins, no such thing. So that never goes into my stomach. So no processed food and no packet food, no biscuits. खारी चलती है यार चाय के साथ on Saturdays and Sundays. That is something that I cannot control. So that is one thing that I eat. But otherwise, even for food, like no instant foods, like ready to eat meals or Maggies or things like that. Nothing comes into my home. We only eat the pure form of food as it comes from the farm, and we consume it. We cook it and we consume it. So that is a big favor that you'll be doing to your body. Eat natural, eat organic, and eat no processed foods. Yes, that's very important. And I would say I do indulge in my cravings, pizzas and chocolates. These are my 2 biggest cravings these days, like fruit and nut. Little 2 pieces, it's okay. I do that. And pizzas, I love pizzas. So, but I eat in proportion. So eating in proportion is good, and not curbing your craving is very, very, very important. And the last one is being a mom. Like, how can you forget that? Being a mom is it's like running a marathon, isn't it, guys? So बच्चों को खिलाना, सुलाना, to give them a bath, to play with them, to do their things, to hold them. Like, Kushang wants to be held all the time these days. He's having this separation anxiety period when he's like, he'll come and then he'll grab my feet, mama please pick me up, and I do that. He's not going to be this little forever, so I'm picking like 10 kgs baby and running here and there. I'm sometimes cooking, I'm sometimes vacuuming, holding my baby. And then Dhyani is like, mama tu mane na terti, mane pan tedi le. So she's like, hold me too. So I do that too. So it's both of my babies that actually make me run a marathon every day. And though I do it very happily, sometimes I do get frustrated, like, Ketlu choto cho, don't do that, don't stick me so much. But that is a mummy life. And as much as I appreciate life for having them in my life, thank God I have 2 babies. But it's difficult, right? Being a mom of 2 is so exhausting. I just want to conclude this video saying that losing weight should not be a stressful process. It should be a very happy journey, but you need a determination of doing something every day, whether it's a walk, going out with kids, doing ghar ki safai, ghar ka kaam, picking a corner up, or anything, but something sustainable that you can do in the long run as well. It's a lifestyle change. It's not something that you do once today and then forget for next 15 days. and you have to focus on your diet as well, what you are eating, and no junk food, no processed food, no packet food, and just natural form of food. And also paying attention to how much you are eating, and drink a lot of water, drink nimbu pani, but don't add anything to it. It's just limbu and ginger pani that I eat. You can add honey if you want with the lukewarm water, that's okay as well. That really increases your metabolism rate. And then always have routines, like it's not like your body loves routine, khane ka routine, kaam karne ka routine, your body loves that, so your body will be in that zone at that particular period of time. So as I said, I have a morning cleaning routine, a morning power hour, and then a nighttime cleaning routine. So I always religiously follow that, and my body really works out during that time. And that's about it. If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.